So you might be in a weird situation where your notifications on your Apple Watch are just not sending. Maybe they're just not matching, and maybe you're missing notifications on your Apple Watch for the most part. Now, the first thing and the main reason why this may be happening is you might be on Do Not Disturb mode. So the very first thing you want to go ahead and just double check is to make your way over to your little drop down menu up here. So just swipe up from the bottom like this to get into your little control center. And you want to make sure you are not on Do Not Disturb mode. So this little moon icon right here is essentially Do Not Disturb mode. And whenever you have this on, it's going to essentially, as the name says, not disturb you with notifications. So this moon icon, if this moon icon is on, so for example, if I go and tap on it, it'll go and tell me, if I can keep it on for an hour. Sometimes it just randomly comes on. If you see a moon icon up there too, that basically signifies that this is, not going to bother you. It's not going to send you notifications. So what you want to do is just toggle that off and make sure those notifications are, actually going through. Now, another thing that can sometimes happen is at times your specific, Apple Watch can actually get unpaired with your iPhone. So if sometimes you do see a little red icon up here, it's like a little red phone with like a line going through it. And that basically means that this specific icon in this Apple Watch is no longer actually connected with your iPhone. So if you're somewhere super far away from your iPhone, let's say you're in like a different country, or you're like in a different, even like different, if you're not around it, like the same Wi-Fi connection, whatnot, your Apple Watch is no longer going to be getting signal or getting anything from your iPhone if it's not the LTE version. So if it's not, then you're pretty much just going to have to find where that iPhone is and make sure it's always around it. The other thing is if your iPhone is off, if your iPhone is not on, if your iPhone is going through an update, your iPhone is going to temporarily disconnect from your Apple Watch. So just keep that in mind as well, because something like that can happen, on top of that. Now, if that's still not working, the final thing you can try doing is to try updating your Apple Watch. So make your way over to your Apple Watch settings, like that icon I just showed you. Then what you want to do is you want to go into get into General, which is right here. You want to click on Software Update, and all you want to do is go and see if there's an update available. And if there is, just go ahead and update your Apple Watch, and that can probably fix the situation as well. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section as well. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.